are going to cook fried chicken. I will show you how I'm going to marinate it and how I'm going to cook it. So let's get started. We are going to marinate our chicken first. Of course, the ingredients, we have garlic. This garlic is from the garden. You know, that is organic, that I harvested last June. So put the garlic in here. Just pepper, some salt, and we're going to put onion granules, just powder, onion granules, just a little, and a little bit of five spice, Chinese five spice, not much, very little, so it gives nice smells with the chicken. Now of course you're going to mash it, so we'll make sure everything incorporated, so when we marinate them it will be tasty. So I'm going to marinate this for overnight. Always overnight is good, but if you're in a hurry and you got no time marinating, just marinate an hour or two would be enough and it will be fine. Right, so all done. I'm happy with it, how I mixed them up. Garlic on top, very garlicky, will be nice, tasty. I want it crispy, the skin as well. I'm going to harvest some salad for my chicken. I like this. So I've been harvesting this quite a while, so it's giving me a lot of salad every other day, so that would be enough salad for the chicken. And tomato. Ooh, I think just this one. Very nice. Oh yeah. There you are. We're now going to cook fried chicken. We are now preheating skillet, salad master skillet. There, it's like a mini oven. You can bake in this skillet. So we're gonna turn it on. So on, I want it 215 degrees. So turn it up 215. Okay, this is easily to heat up. 1 to 2 minutes. It's gonna be done of heating up, and the chicken will be into this skillet. Let's check the skillet if it is ready. This is how you check the skillet if it is ready. So water, if the water bubbles, it's ready. So the water didn't bubble, it's not ready yet. Couple of more minutes. Few minutes pass. Let's check if the skillet is going to bubble. Oh no, bubble the water. Right. Okay, let's check. Let's check the moment of truth. Oh, you see? The water is playing. Look at them. So it's ready. Oh, look at the water. It's going around. It's like big bubbles there. Right. Sounds promising. Okay, so this is gonna be tricky as well, putting them in. Right. Okay. No oil. Skillet don't need oil. That's the sounds that I would like to hear. Right, so skin face down. That's the sound. last, quite big chicken. I think this side. So we'll wait again until it's cooked. We'll cover it. We don't need to cover totally like that. Only a little bit space, and there's a gap. So there's air coming up. So it will be crispy. We'll check in a minute. Few minutes. Okay, let's just flip. Oops. Whoa, look at that. It's gonna be crispy, juicy. What about this one? What about this? Doesn't matter, they don't eat skin anyway. Ooh, look at that. Okay. What about the other side? The other one. Wow. That's this. And this one. Woohoo. Now, you leave again. Let's cook the other side. The chicken is cooked. Let's turn this off. Okay. Right. So now we're gonna transfer in my plate. Those are harvest from the garden. So let's take them out. One chicken. The second chicken. Transfer here. The next one. And here. Let's do it this way. And the last one. Oh, yum yum. Looks fresh. Vegetables. That's the finished product. Looks crunchy, juicy, looks soft. Wow. Let's eat. Come and join me. I only got one chicken. Lex and Steve have some. I'm a small eater, I told you. Right. Let's try it. Ooh, I want this skin bit. Crunchy, hopefully. Wow, it tastes nice. Tomato, of course. Wow. I hope you make it as well. It's really nice, really good. When you marinated chicken, you can't get wrong. Can't get wrong. So, you saw me, I didn't put any oil. Of course, you need some rice. I'll show you. Just a little. Wow. We ate the salad. Salad from the garden. As usual. Perfect. Perfect with the chicken, green leaves, rice. Oh. And tomato. Ano ba yan? One more. Mmm. Mmm. I'll be full again. I keep making food. Mmm. Rice. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry if my mouth is full. I'm just hungry, and it's late at night now. This is the only I'm eating for today. Mm. 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 I like this recipe. I'm going to do it again. Mm. This time I'll finish this. It's nice and soft, nice and juicy. It's not dry. Mm. To cook in this skillet, very easy, and it's quick. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Everyone likes it. Especially vegan, of course. This salad is fresh. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I don't buy them, you know. It's just great. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Next time, I'm going to cook corn, ginisang mais. I miss that in the Philippines. In the UK, they don't grow it. Only yellow. Yellow don't taste better. Don't taste nice. White corn is perfect. Para sa ginisa. You know what? This tomato, yellowish, and greenish, that's how I like it. Crunchy. It's still sweet, even though it's not really ripe. Nearly finished now. The salad, nearly gone. Wow. I don't buy them anymore. I got some small salad that ready to transfer into the ground. They're still young, still in the greenhouse. I showed the video how I grow salad, how I do seedlings, how I got succession of my greens. I'll show you in winter time. You will surprise that I'm going to show you. Even winter time, I can still harvest of greens. We'll see. Do you know what is this? This is my calamansi. This was small when I bought it like that last year. Look at them grows now. The bar. This is my precious plant. It gives me fruit. It gave me calamansi last year. Twice a year last year. March and winter time. Wow. So in summer, I take them inside. I know, outside. And in winter, inside. So they can have constant heat. They like heat though. I've never thought I'm gonna grow calamansi in the UK. I've asked my sister, please send me calamansi. It never happened. They can't because it's really too ripen and you're gonna rot or something. So I bought calamansi. I saw in the shop. Pardon me. Alright, I nearly finished now. No more. This is like bone now. Hope you like the video where I cook. That's how I fry the chicken. That's how I marinate it. Hope you make it as well. Hello Grace. She wants some recipe as well. And I'll make another video for other recipes. Right, I'm finished now. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching Manila London. If you wouldn't mind hitting like and subscribe, or if you want to stay with Sharon Ivy on Manila London a little bit longer, click one of the watch more links that are pasted on this screen. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next time for more Manila London. Take care. Bye bye.